Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's talk about the top most important analytics on YouTube. I'm going to share my experience, research, my own channel. And if you stay with this video all the way through, I've got a bonus PowerPoint analytic that nobody's talking about. You do not want to miss this. By the fact that you're watching this video right now, this is your confirmation and an early bonus point. Something that works for one channel may not necessarily work for you and me. So it's important to keep that in mind as we go through these. And the first important metric on the YouTube system as analytics is your audience retention, also known as the AVD, average view duration. This is so important when it comes to YouTube. How long can you keep your viewer watching within a certain video? Your audience retention deals mostly with individual videos, and the watch time deals mostly with your channel as a whole. That's why you'll hear certain terms like watch sessions. You can create a YouTube watch session. For example, if someone comes from another part of a different platform, and we'll talk about different sources coming up in a minute, but those viewers, if they stay on your channel or even on another channel and they came through your video, that creates what's called watch sessions. YouTube is big on watch time and session time when it comes to growing on the platform. Audience retention. What is your audience retention? This analytic really reveals how long you are able to keep somebody watching a certain video. And I've noticed several content creators, some who are very engaging. They're able to keep people watching on the platform for as long as possible. That's the goal of YouTube. Check this out. It says average view duration, 1 minute, 37 seconds more than usual. This actually was one of those clips that I usually put together, a clip video, short video just to tease some of my content. Here's another graph. Check this out. You can go to any video behind the scenes in your analytics and it'll show you where different viewers may have stopped watching. It'll show you where different viewers may have started watching your video, and you can see as they start to drop off on certain videos. And what I've learned to do is anytime someone drops off in a certain area, that lets me know that I wasn't able to keep them watching, right? That's a great indication that whatever I was doing in that moment that they dropped, don't do that again. For example, when I restarted my channel, I would start talking about my books and my different things like that. And I noticed people didn't really know me like that. They really didn't know me enough to hear about my books and my writing. And every time I went there, not only was I stretching out a little longer than I needed to, but they started to drop off and either fast forward to another section because they just didn't know me like that at that time. So you can always go to those metrics where it shows people dropping off and you can say, what did I do in that area? You can click play and it'll show you whatever you were doing. And so I've learned not to do that. And whatever kept them watching, I learned to do that more often. So that's your average view duration. That's your audience retention. Your YouTube system wants to know, are you able to keep the attention of your audience? So remember that. Audience retention, average view duration, measures your video, giving you indications on what parts of your videos was more engaging, more exciting, kept the attention of the viewer more, and what other parts were just not interesting at all. Maybe other parts wasn't interesting. Maybe they were boring and people either skipped through or stopped watching. This is a powerful metric when it comes to your individual videos. Like I said on my channel, I've learned what to do and what not to do, listening and watching those analytics, checking out my audience view duration, checking out that audience retention. And at the end of the day, retaining a viewer's attention throughout the video is a powerful way to let the YouTube system know how well you're able to keep the attention of your viewers, keep them engaged, keep them watching on your video. And the more we're able to keep our viewers watching, the better reputation we'll build and the better credibility we'll build with the YouTube system. So keep that in mind as you go through your analytics. As you go through your analytics, check out that graph. Remember, wherever people are dropping off, that's something that you need to eliminate out of your videos. It took me a while to learn this. And wherever people are watching more, that's what you want to continue to do more and more as you create your next video. And for me, it took me a while to realize that I don't have to be perfect. I just have to make progress. That next video, I want that to be just a little bit better than the last video. Maybe it was my audio. Maybe it was something that I did. Maybe it was something that I said. Maybe I was trying to have fun with my soccer ball or my golf ball, entertaining. Maybe it was something that I did like that, and people just didn't like that, right? Something that I probably need to eliminate out of the next video. Maybe they did enjoy it, and I can bring it back. So that's another powerful way to study your audience retention. That graph will let you know what your viewers like and what they don't like. And the longer we're able to keep our viewers watching, the better we'll be on the platform, the more promotion we'll receive with the YouTube system, going to that next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next level mindset in everything we do. By the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you want to stay empowered and inspired together, love to have you here at Next Level. The next top most important analytic on YouTube is your traffic sources. Where are our viewers coming from? A lot of us have viewership on Facebook. You may have Instagram. You may even have Twitter, now known as X, right? How can we get those viewers to come over to our YouTube channel? So what I've learned to do is promote my videos on other platforms. YouTube loves when we can bring people from different platforms to the YouTube system. They will enjoy that. They will promote your videos. The more you're able to bring other viewers from other platforms, the more you'll find your channel and your videos being promoted on the YouTube system. If you go to your analytics, you'll see where it says traffic sources. It will show you where your videos are coming from. Remember, Google owns YouTube. YouTube and Google are the two top most search engines on the internet. So a lot of people are going in, they're searching for different videos. You can get views through that. Maybe it's a recommendation, maybe it's search. Sometimes it's suggested in the algorithm on screen as a next video for your viewer to watch. Check this out right here. This is one of my shorts that I created. And as you can see, it showed up a certain percentage on the short shelf. Another place it showed up in browse. It even showed up in search. So check that out. Remember to look at your different traffic sources. That's going to reveal to you where you can probably post more. Maybe you might find that a lot of your views are coming from your Facebook page. That will encourage you and inspire you and really enlighten you to go ahead and use that platform more often. Maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's Twitter X. I like that, Twitter X. Maybe it's Twitter X. It could be LinkedIn. A lot of my videos come from LinkedIn. So that traffic source is so important. It'll let you know where to promote your videos for the best results. Now, I've got this bonus point analytic nobody's talking about. But first, before we do that, if you've enjoyed this video so far and it's giving you value, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let other people know this video. It'll definitely let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button. Thank you. So this bonus point I want to share with you deals with your CTR. Nobody's talking about this. I haven't heard anyone mention this. Every now and then you'll have a low CTR and it can be discouraging. But check this out. And I was wondering, why is my CTR so low? On this one, it was 0.8%. But when I dug deeper, check out what it says. This video is reaching a wider audience on YouTube, leading to a lower click-through rate. But it says wider audiences are often less likely to choose to watch a video. But this is the important part. The lower CTR is not hurting this video's view count. So the next time you find yourself with a low CTR, keep that in mind and remember that. And out of all the explanations that I've heard, different people talking about having a low click-through rate, nobody's mentioned that right there. That is usually some people that maybe they don't know you like that. YouTube is choosing to show them your video, but they're not clicking on it because they're not familiar with you. So it will lead to a lower click-through rate. But YouTube has plenty of ways of letting us know how we're doing on the platform. And it says right there, this lower click-through rate is because it's reaching a wider audience, but it's not hurting your video's view count. That's so important. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been on YouTube, but you really haven't been doing the thing. You really haven't been creating content, or maybe it's stagnant and you might just be ready to take your channel to the next level, maybe to get it back going again. I want to share this video with you right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers, those who are funding the channel with your income. You keep the lights on here at Next Level. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.